Before buying a coin organizer for your car, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about. Product number 1, Joy Tudis Coin Holder. The Joy Tudis Coin Holder priced at just $7.99. What caught my attention is its universal fit for most vehicles, meaning you won't have to worry if it fits your car. If you want a simple, no-fuss solution to keep your coins organized, this is worth a serious look. This organizer holds up to 14 quarters, 13 nickels, 17 pennies, and 17 dimes. That's a lot of change neatly tucked away and ready for when you need it. The handy flip lid keeps everything concealed, which is great if you're concerned about leaving valuables in plain sight. Plus, it's made from durable, rust-resistant plastic that can withstand daily wear and tear. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It means you won't have to deal with rust or breakage, which is a common complaint with cheaper options. Now, some people complained about the storage capacity being limited compared to other options. Here's the thing though, if you're not carrying around a ton of coins, this won't be a deal breaker. It's perfect for those who just want a tidy place for spare change without overcomplicating things. This is perfect for you if you drive a compact car and just need a straightforward solution for your spare change. Skip this one if you regularly deal with large amounts of coins though. You might need something bigger. Now, if the storage capacity of the Joy Tudis bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Halo Black Larger Capacity Coin Holder at $10.99. The first thing you'll notice is its larger capacity, which can hold over 90 coins. If you frequently find yourself with a lot of loose change, this is definitely worth a serious look. This organizer features a translucent design, so you can easily check how many coins you have left without opening it. It holds 21 quarters, 27 dimes, 20 nickels, and 24 pennies. The precision slot design ensures smooth and hassle-free retrieval, which means you won't be fumbling around trying to get a quarter when you need it most. Here's why this matters for you. It saves you time and frustration when you're in a hurry. However, some users mention that it can feel a bit bulky in smaller cars. Here's the thing. If you have a larger vehicle or a spacious console, this isn't really going to be an issue. But if you drive a compact car, it might not fit as seamlessly. This is perfect for you if you often find yourself dealing with a lot of coins and want a reliable way to manage them. Skip this one if space is at a premium in your vehicle. You might want to consider a different option. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a compact design.
Product number 3, Joy Tudis High Capacity Coin Holder. We have the Joy Tudis Universal High Capacity Car Coin Holder, priced at $11.99. This one caught my eye because it promises to hold up to $15 in coins, which is really impressive. If you're looking for a solution that maximizes capacity while keeping things tidy, this is worth a serious look. This coin holder fits right into your car's cup holder, which is perfect for easy access. It accommodates 35 quarters, 31 nickels, 45 dimes, and 40 pennies, so you'll have a place for everything. The durable ABS plastic ensures it's built to last, which means you won't have to replace it anytime soon. Here's why that matters. Durability means you can count on it, especially if your car sees a lot of action. However, some users found that it can be a bit wobbly in certain cup holders. Here's the thing though, if your car has a standard cup size, it should fit just fine. But if you drive a vehicle with non-standard cup holders, you might want to test it out first. This is perfect for you if you want a high-capacity coin solution, but don't want it to take up too much space. Skip this one if your cup holder is already packed with drinks or other items. You might need to look elsewhere. Now, if the potential wobbliness of the Joy Tudis bothered you, the next one offers a more secure fit. Product number 4, Singaro Coin Holder in black, priced at $6.99. What grabbed my attention is its modern design, which not only looks good, but also offers practical functionality. If you want a coin organizer that doesn't compromise on style, this is worth a serious look. This coin box offers neat storage, ensuring your center console is clean and organized. It can hold pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters, accommodating different coin sizes with 4 slots. The versatility means you can use it in your car, at home, or even in the office. Here's why that matters for you. It means you're not stuck with just one use. You can adapt it to your needs. That said, some users commented on it not having a lid to keep the coins concealed. Here's the thing. If you're okay with a visible coin holder, it's not a deal breaker. Just be aware that if you prefer to hide your change, this might not be the best option for you. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish and functional organizer that can be used in multiple environments.
Skip this one if you need something that completely conceals your coins. You might want to consider a different product. Now, if the lack of a lid in this Singaro bothered you, you might want to check out its colorful alternative.
Product number 5, Singaro coin holder in pink, also priced at $6.99. This one stands out not just for its color, but for the same practical features as its black counterpart. If you're looking for a fun, stylish way to organize your coins, this is worth a serious look. Just like the black version, this pink holder offers neat storage for coins of different sizes. It's portable and can fit in various spaces, making it a practical car accessory. You can use it for pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters, which is great for versatility. Here's why this matters for you. It allows you to keep your coins sorted without taking up too much space. However, some may find the pink color not to their taste. Here's the thing, if you're not a fan of bright colors, this might not be your pick. But for those who love a pop of color, it's a fun option. This is perfect for you if you want a cute, functional coin organizer that stands out. Skip this one if you prefer something more neutral or understated. It might not suit your style. To wrap it up, we've covered a range of options today, from compact and stylish to high-capacity options, so you can find the perfect fit for your car's needs. So there you have it, 5 great coin organizers for your car. Whether you want something compact, stylish, or high capacity, there's definitely an option here for you. Take a look at what fits your needs best and say goodbye to loose change clutter.